What up, what up? Back at you with Workhorse, WKHS. Made a video on this a couple weeks ago. I was making a play on it, and looks like it finally is breaking out of this falling wedge. If we take a measured move of the breakout, we are looking at $26. Had a nice move today. I had a feeling it was going to get some volatility because I believe earnings was this morning. And I saw it getting to the edge of the pattern, and I figured it was either going to M out and go down to 15 something or breakout. And we did have a false breakdown this morning. It went down to 16.90. I bought a bunch more shares there, and I had some buyers at 15.90 as well in case it went down there. But looks like the buyers came in, and the volume's up like crazy. We're trending upwards. We got above the daily 20 moving average, which I am super pumped about. That's at 1888. All the moving averages are starting to turn up. Let's take a quick fib retracement here from the swing low to the swing high and see where we're at. So as you see, the 0.786 is 1821. We've been kind of getting support off of that today, actually. I noticed it came down around there a couple times when it was trying to get above the 20 daily at 1888. As you see, the golden pocket range is up at 2690. Well, the 0.236 is at 2690, and as high as we could go would be $30. But for now, we got to watch this daily RSI here. As you see, the MACD is starting to get ready to get across. So tomorrow we should see some more upside. That's awesome. I don't see any bearish divergence anywhere. I'm not seeing anything negative. The only thing I can see right now is we haven't come up to this daily resistance on the RSI yet. So we're kind of watching. I'm kind of watching this. See how that plays out. I mean, we got good volume coming in, even on the daily. So that's a confirmation for me that this is a nice breakout. We looks like the 0.618 is around $20 actually, $21. So the 0.618 could be the first resistance point. So we have to watch that. Let's see. Oh, okay. I'm wrong. Then the daily. So the daily 20 EMA is actually at 1936, not 1888. So on the weekly, as you see, we curved up on the RSI here. We are getting resistance on this line here. Once we get a breakout of that, we are going to be off to the races for sure. So we're going to watch the 20 daily, which is 1936. We need to get above that and get a close above that. I'm not sure where it closed today. I didn't even get to see. I think it closed around $19 or something. 1960, 1936, something like that. Looks like the weekly 20 is at 1980. So we're going to want to get above that as well. We are getting that curve up on the RSI on the 4-hour. We did move up, but we're getting a little resistance right here. We have a little bit more room to come up. But I'm thinking that we're going to get through this and come up to the top at least, It's starting to look like a nice W on this RSI also. Let's draw a trend line here real quick. Just to see. So from those peaks there, the falling wedge we were in was right around here. And we did get that break, which is awesome. This was our, the bottom support line here we were following for a while, falling down, almost like a descending triangle. Now it's starting to look like a nice W. So the question is, are we going to come up here, test that, come back down, retest that line, and hope we can catch support before we move up? This is on the 4-hour, so even if we did come back down, we would probably be testing that 1820, maybe even depending on how high that shoots us up to. I'm expecting that 0.618 tomorrow for a move would be the $20 range. Maybe a little higher. I'm looking, don't see any divergences. I don't see any TD9 flashes, any red flashes. Just a lot of buying. Looks like we were going to try to come back down, but, as you see here, the price is higher on the right and lower on the left, and it's the same on the chart, so there's no bearish divergence on the 1 hour. Same with the 4 hour. We still look good. Like I said, we're getting a little bit of that resistance, which is what's slowing us down. We need some more buyers coming in here. But on the daily, we're getting that breakout. That's great. The MACD is great. I mean, not much more I can say. Awesome. I'm pumped. Keep your eye on this thing.